had some humdingers. I just hope it goes even close to that.
Antoine Griezmann, who's a French international, of course, but very much with Spanish roots.
4 goals in his last 3 games. Really does look a class act at the moment.
The trend perhaps in football to use grounds for other sports. Santiago Bernabeu remains a proper football stadium and a very good playing surface.
Yeah, we're lucky enough to know the groundsman of Real Madrid, who's given us the Grand Tour. It's a wonderful place. Always enjoy coming here.
This is the Real Madrid lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Marcelo starts with Carvajal in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. And up front, Antoine Griezmann, the main striker today. Valencia will go with this team today. Neto starts in goal. Ezekiel Garay starts with Gabriel at the back. Jeffrey Kondogbia plays with Francis Coquelin in central midfield. It's good to see them going with 2 strikers today. Better than this. The bend is imparted onto the ball.
What he set out to do there, executed it perfectly.
It can be a dangerous one. We'll see. I have to say, Alan, that reminded me of you in your prime.
Oh, he took time, Martin, but it was a brilliant header, fantastic finish. Well, I know this manager's been working hard on the training ground on a certain shape, and boy, is it getting results out there.
Griezmann, gonna try his luck.
Poluvreme.
You don't have to dominate the game to win it. This game is proof of that.
You certainly don't, and the little scoreline in the top corner of the screen is what matters more than possession.
Kraj meča.
Very good game.
Real Madrid je pobedio.
High scorers, and you can see why, with the way that he converted that chance. Didn't have too many today, but he's clinical at the moment.
Let's fly! He's reached up and turned it over. Up for grabs here. Ronaldo the target in the middle. On the touchline, getting good vision from Antoine Griezmann. Shots on here. Real Madrid looking good with this attack. Ronaldo.